to share a little bit of the Haitian rhythm of my, especially my culture. And we have our own body, our own sets body, but without no kick. So the Haitian drum set, it's the drum. It's a drum. And also the rhythm that's we're gonna play today, named Nago, it become in the west of Haiti, and especially in Port-au-Prince. It's a rhythm of war. And also in Haiti, the rhythm it's kind of talking. I mean, like the drum, especially, it's like talk and response. And the way the drum tones to know exactly the kata sound more high, like you could say. This one, the tune high, and the second tune medium, and the mama tune very low. And also, and this rhythm that we're gonna play today, like I say, it's a rhythm of war, and you have to listen and communicate together. When the colors start first, and the second response, and the mama is the leader, is the man, like is the leader, is the one who lead you, who responds to everybody. Okay? So the rhythm, the kata always start first, the Asian rhythm, and the second respond, and the mama has the lead, and it answer everybody. So we're gonna try the kata, Toto. The second. Okay? Yes. One, two, three, four. Like I said, the mama is the leader. Okay? Okay? Here, come on, Vanessa.
Boards?
The rim, right? You left hand?
Put your stick in the right hand.
Okay. The rim goes the same way as the kata. Okay? The mother. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum. And the Haitian rhythm is the most important thing. We call this fe or
Belt.
belt. It's very important. In the Haitian rhythm, yeah, or ogan. When we call it fe or ogan. Very, very important. Okay, it goes. Slip.